My name is Welcome Ko from San Guillermo, Palumpon, Leyte. I present the modern exam 2 questions video. Question number 1. Senator Bato de la Rosa put forward a bill that would have made further punishable by death to penalize corruption public official. Should the Philippines government permit this to become law? Explain. I agree with Senator Bato de la Rosa statement about having the death penalty in the Philippines against corrupt government official so that all Filipinos know that justice is also for the poor and not always for the rich. Second question. Should same-sex union be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have the freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on this matter. For me, I would agree to legalizing same-sex relations in the Philippines because it's a sin against God, but we're all just sinners, and even if what we're doing is wrong, as long as we're happy, if you're a person who attracted to the same sex, that's your choice.